where u.user_id equal to user ID, and where you know what, let's follow the same pattern we've been using. So first of all, I would come, okay, no, user row is a quicker way. So db.query, actually db.set user row dot where you dot, again, keep forgetting, let me just call this query. This will query user row in db.set user row where user row dot user ID equal to user ID. Again, we need to be consistent with these things like this, and then where user row dot role ID equal to role ID, like this. Then we have select user row. Okay. The reason I usually favor this is because if I wanted to remove a condition, it's as simple as just commenting it, right? Versus having it in the lambda syntax and having to comment out maybe the beginning without commenting at the end, it becomes difficult. All right, so what I just need to do is if query dot any, or let's still assign it user row equal to query for first or default. Okay, so what I now need to do is oh, okay, let me use s, this is plural. So here user, I get a particular user row, and I say if user row is null, rather if it's not null, that's when I should go ahead and delete it. db dot okay, db dot set user row dot remove user row user row. Yeah, db dot save changes. Anyway, so that's all. That just removes the user from the role straight away. But the user is not even in that role at all. You know, it don't matter. So update password hash is the next one. So this is quite simple, I guess. db.set. So as I was saying, you get set of what now? Yes, user. Okay. Dot find is on user ID. So that's that. If user is equal to null, throw new exception, invalid. No need of throwing an exception. If user is null, return null. Otherwise, return. I think you should throw an exception. exception. Not throwing an exception here doesn't make this function safe. After all, set this db of set could return an exception. The find too, the find doesn't, find too could throw an exception, right? See, invalid operation exception, stuff like that. So it's not a guarantee, so it's fine to throw an exception here. After all, the operation will catch it on the outside. So we have, say, user id, user as invalid user id, return user back. Sorry, I need to set the hash. So user.password equal to password hash, right? And user dot password. So yeah, user dot password, which is the same thing as password hash. Okay, I also need to save changes. So say db save changes. After that, return password. All right. Update user does something similar. db set user find user id, sorry, user id. Okay, let's change this user to model. If user is null, throw new exception, so say invalid user. Otherwise, let's go ahead and assign all the properties except password, of course. If user is equal to null, do this. Otherwise, user dot, you shouldn't set user id. Instead, you should set email with the model.email. You shouldn't set password as well. For security, update user should not update the password, right? So user. What else? What other properties does user have? We have email, password, user id. So that's fine. The next thing we now need to do is call save changes and return a new user model. So essentially, I would come here, new user equal to that, but just go ahead and assign user to it. However, remove password, user password equal to none, and then return new user, and return new user here as well. And that is all. So we have user that finds the user by the id, we have the user id as null, the email address is the only thing that is set, but we would have set other properties. We don't set the password. You now assign the user to create a new user, set the password to null there, and return it. Okay, so we are done with all the infrastructure code. Let's build that.